The Service Safety Restraint System, SSRS, warning in your Chevy indicates a potential issue with your vehicle's airbags and seatbelts. It's crucial for your safety, as it means these systems might not function correctly in a crash. Ignoring this warning means airbags might not deploy in an accident, increasing your risk of injury. Common causes include faulty sensors like side impact or rollover sensors, especially in models like the 2015-2018 Cruise. Wiring problems such as corrosion or damage. Airbag module malfunctions, common in older models like the 2010-2015 Malibu. Issues with seatbelt mechanisms. Even a low battery or outdated software can trigger a false warning. Get it checked out promptly. Start with an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes. This helps pinpoint the problem area. While a minor glitch might be fixed with a reset via your car's driver information center, most issues require professional attention. Software updates can sometimes resolve the problem. GM offers over-the-air updates to fix the issue. If you notice rodent damage on wires, this is likely the problem. Repairs can range from simple sensor replacements to module reprogramming, costing anywhere from $100 to $1,500, depending on the complexity. If your vehicle is under warranty, this is covered. Ignoring the problem can lead to bigger issues down the road. This could save your life.